to force them.
Kurumirira gukanjwo na guteanirio gwa kanjũ iria irarugamirire University ya Nairobi ni Minister wa Githomo Julius Migos ni uhuthiri moru wa kigina kia muingi kia makiria mashiringi milioni 24 kiama kia ARUTANI kia UASU ni gitugiritie ikinya riri gikiendekithia kumbwo weru gwa kanjũ iri kurugamirira MIHANG'O University-ini ino.
Is supposed to have 4 meetings.
Gitongoretio ni muikariri giti wa kiama giki Richard Bosire na mwandiki kiama-ini giki Maloba Wekesa ni mamenereirie utongoria wa muikariri giti wa kanjũ ya University ya Nairobi AMUKOWA ANANGWE na kiria maugite ni uhuthiri moru wa kigina kia muingi kia makiria ma shiringi milioni 24, uhuthiri moru wa wabici wa guthamathamia aruti a wira na kurugamia angi wira hamwe na kuongerera ihinda ria kandarathi ya uruti wa wira.
ANANGWE and others in the court cases that they have instigated. This rot has to be brought to an end.
We are demanding that we need a university led by men and women of honor who can unearth the dysfunctions of the current cesspool and rot we find ourselves in. WASU is demanding an investigation into the cost center that has become the AMUKOWA ANANGWE-led council and its attendant questionable, lavish expenses in a financially struggling institution.
Kiama giki ni kiuritie kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC itafanie uthuthuria wao na gucokia kigina kia muingi kiria kihuthiritwo uru ni kanjũ ino. Uthuthuria utafanio wigie ukomborithia wa mugunda wa university no mugaru na watho hamwe na kanjũ ino kwiriha marihi ma njoherera mugaru na watho.
The council is embezzling resources of the meager resources that are available at the university. They have failed to recruit. Their interest is about themselves.
WASU is demanding an investigation into the cost center that has become the AMUKOWA ANANGWE-led council. Such an investigation should be done with the express intention of recovering public funds irregularly spent by this council.
Oho ni kiendekithitie gutacukirio ikinya ria kiwatho kuri mwandiki wa kanjũ ino Collins Omondi ni kiria kirerikana ni yambatiritie ngathi guku agiukirirwo ni gutafania mishemanio hamwe na kwaga gutia watho wa Vice Chancellor.
Collins Omondi has been mentioned. Is the legal officer of the university. He is employed by the university. How he doubles as a corporation secretary, nobody knows. And he does not take instruction. He has actually usurped the powers of his boss, who is the VC. The payments of allowances have an issue. There are no names, no roster for attendance of meetings by council.
Maya mokite riri kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania bururi-ini EACC yathite amemba a kanjũ ino ikinyie wabici-ini ciao kurumirira thitango itiganite guku kamiti ino ikihithukira mucii hamwe na wabici ya murugamiriri wa ihinda University-ini ya Nairobi niwe Brian Ouma igicaria maratathi maria mangikorwo na wira wa maundu matiganite maria ekuwirwo ari hamwe na kwamukira shiringi milioni 12 gatagati-ini ka mwaka wa 2019 na 2024. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.
Makes us strong.